can do this, I 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 can do this. This ain't nothing, 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 this ain't nothing. Because I can do this, 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 I can do this. Let's go.
All I want is to be with somebody, take my pain away. I hear music playing so loudly, sing me now with the night wide awake.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna and today I filmed this super sleek, slick back ponytail for you guys. I achieved this without using any bundles. This is typically what I do when I'm in a rush and I need a super sleek style, but I don't have time to wait for bundles. So if you're interested in how I achieved this look, then just keep watching.
Okay guys, so I just washed my hair and I let it towel dry for a little bit. I'm then going to go in with my Daily Oil Moisturizer from the Cantu brand. And I'm just going to work that in my hair. And then I'm going to go in with this Edge Wax, Murray's Edge Wax, and I'm going to slick down the back of my hair so that when I'm ready to pull it up, it's already sleek and ready to go. See me parting my hair, and I'm just gonna part my hair and go ahead and brush it back into a ponytail. For whatever reason, I didn't show this product, but I'm gonna go in with the Style Factor Edge Booster, and that's what I use all over my hair with my brush, just to get my hair really sleek and slick and give it a shiny look. And I know I'm still playing around with my equipment, with my camera, so the saturation and the lighting was just all over the place in this video, but I am working on it, guys. I also don't know why I'm so damn close, but I really didn't want to film it all over again. I really just wanted to get it up here and just start moving on to the next video, because I have so many videos that I want to share with you guys, so I really hope you subscribe. And now I'm just slicking my hair back, and then after I do that, I'm gonna go in with the Style Factor Edge Booster again, and I'm gonna hit those edges. A comb to go through my hair after I put the product in, just so I can make sure that it's getting fully saturated within my hair, because I do have pretty thick hair. It's just really short because it's damaged, because your girl permed it and I regret it, and I'm definitely gonna have to chop it all off. I'm really dreading doing that, but the day is coming, so gosh, I don't even want to think about it, but it needs to be done. Also, how are you guys liking this background? I didn't really know where else in my place to film. I'm still working on getting I don't know. I'm just still playing around with things, trying to see what I like. So comment down below if you like this background. I don't know about y'all, but watching people do their edges is so satisfying to me. Like, it's so satisfying and calming, and just, it's one of my favorite parts in a tutorial. Quarantine life got my nails looking real scary, y'all. My nails and my eyebrows, looking back on it, oh my goodness. I'm just seeing so many things that I do not like and I need to like change, but I'm only gonna get better, okay? I'm only gonna get better, so y'all, so after I do my edges and before I wrap my hair, I'm going to go in with the Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm going to spray the hell out of my hair and wrap it up. Y'all ready for the start of the show? Can I get a drum roll, please? Alright, y'all, so the hair of choice today is this Freetress crochet hair. It is the water wave and the 22-inch 1B because that's closest to my natural hair color. I'm going to take a hair tie, split the hair into two sections in my fingers, take the hair tie, put it through those two sections, and then I'm going to put one of the ends through the hole and pull. And this is going to create a knot. And then we're going to go in with a comb, and I'm going to fluff up the root or the top closest to my fingers, just so I can get rid of that part and so I can give it a little bit more like make it a little bit more thicker. I'm going to leave the ends the same because I want to make sure the hair keeps its juicy curls and the bounce to it. So I'm just going to focus on kind of teasing the top of the hair. After that, we're going to take the hair tie and wrap it around our bun as you would any hair tie. And then we're going to flip the entire thing over your head. And then we're going to create another bun over our bun so that under your ponytail you have a bun. And then after we make that, we're going to take the edges of this hair and move it slightly down like you see here. And then we're going to flip And then we're literally done. Yep, that's it. That is it. You can definitely take a piece of hair and wrap it around the ponytail, but I like this look. I think it looks natural, it looks full, it's shiny, the curls are nice and juicy. I used a pack and a half. Packs range from $4 to $7, so you can get one pack or you can get 2 packs. But yeah, this is how I like to do my ponytails. It looks just like it looks just like track hair. It looks great for the fraction of the price. Definitely, if you guys like the way this looks, try it out. Let me know how you like it, because I would love to know. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so fun. I absolutely love making these videos, and I can't wait to make more. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.